Okay, finally the pond is done. We have a pool here. Nice. And my forest base is finally done.
A few moments later.
Kill this monster. Why did you destroy my... finally! You killed, you bastard. You just destroyed my mini pond. What? Yo, what is up gamers? Clive NFT here live with another immutable gameplay. Alright, I just jumped into Dream World, and this game is honestly wild. It's basically a massive sandbox MMO where everyone builds in the same world. Imagine the creativity of sandbox games, but shared with thousands of other players at the same time. So the game starts you off in the floating island tutorial, where you learn the basic movement, crafting, and how the building works. And once you finish the tutorial, you literally jump off the island and drop into the full world. And actually, that's when the real adventure begins. The world here is huge and fully open. You can explore different biomes, gather materials, craft gears, and unlock new weapons and spells as you progress. Take note, there are also world bosses and rare loots, so you can team up with friends and take on the bigger challenges together. And actually, the part that surprised me the most is the building system. Using Dreamforge, you can basically create almost anything you imagine. Just describe it and turn it into an in-game asset. So if you want something ridiculous like a magical pencil sword, yes, you can literally make that. And since everyone can build in the same world, players are creating their own structures, areas, and even minigames inside the world. I already even built my own forest base. It makes the whole place feel alive because the world keeps evolving on what players are creating. And what's crazy is that the game can support over 10,000 players in the same world. So you can constantly run into other players, exploring, building, and fighting bosses. So if you like sandbox games, building systems, or open world adventures, this is definitely one worth checking out. You can grab Dream World on Steam right now. I'll attach the link below. And honestly, I'm curious to see what kind of crazy creations people are going to build in this world. Immutable Play, link down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!